Hi all, I tried accessing my LinkedIn account and it was down. So I clicked on go to feed and nothing happened and I was very well logged in. So to confirm this, I tried logging in using my phone and it gave the same results. So I am curious, is LinkedIn hacked? And everyone is curious if it's hacked. So we'll check it here. LinkedIn, is LinkedIn down? And the first option is for down detector, and as you can see there has been a very major outage right now on 7th of March 2024. It means that it's down for everyone, and the best part is that this also means that LinkedIn is not hacked, so you can chill. Their team must be working on it, and I'm very sure that they will be mentioning it on linkedinstatus.com. So if not, you can always check it through downdetector.com. Was this video helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.